Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Rethinking Health, a new paradigm for human well-being. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's world, the true definition of health extends far beyond the mere absence of illness. A healthy body is not just a well-functioning machine. It is a finely tuned system where the brain commands a network of empowered, energized cells. This healthy system integrates the powerhouses of our heart, lungs, and brain in perfect harmony with our nervous and endocrine systems. The immune system stays alert and battle ready, while strong bones, efficient joints, and agile muscles carry us through each day with precision. All key bodily functions, cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, work smoothly in sync. No discussion of health is complete without acknowledging good oral hygiene and personal care. Dental care alongside skin and hair maintenance plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. An erect posture and a fresh, odor-free presence contributes to how we interact with the world and with ourselves. All above together is a mark of a healthy body, confident in its strength and in its stability. Let's look at the body-brain connection. The synergy between the body and brain is the engine that propels us through life. Our bodies are naturally designed for strength, flexibility, and responsiveness. They are self-regulating, constantly repairing and rejuvenating in preparation for action and performance. However, for this design to function at its best, our bodies need certain vital inputs: a regular wake-sleep cycle, nutritious, balanced food at timely intervals, abundant oxygen, fresh water, sunshine, and antioxidants to fuel and keep our cells healthy and stress-free. Regular physical activity, exercise, restful sleep, and consistent training keeps our bodies prepared to meet the demands of our environment with efficiency. Environment is the crucible of health. Our environment, both internal and external, directly impacts our cells, their energy generation, and even the expression of our DNA. A positive environment yields positive outcomes, vibrant health, and progressive growth. A healthy environment is one that thrives on the 5 elements of nature. It is radiant with sunshine, fresh with oxygen, abundant with water, lush with greenery, and infused with celestial energy. The spaces we occupy, where we live, sleep, work, and eat, must be stress-free, vibrant, and conducive to supporting both our brain and our body. These harmonious surroundings enable us to generate, receive, and direct our energy in purposeful, positive, and progressive ways. To redefine health, a holistic approach is necessary. Rethinking health means recognizing that our brain, body, and environment form an interconnected system. Understanding this relationship and learning how to nourish each element is the foundation of true health. Regular training, both physical and mental, strengthens our energy grid, helping us build a connection to the cosmos. With clarity and purpose filling our minds, our thoughts and actions become more conscious and progressive, thus accelerating us towards our aspirations. A shift towards preventive health care is a part of rethinking health. In this redefined vision, health is not merely a reaction to disease, but a proactive approach to preventive and progressive health care. The key lies in the shift from addressing illnesses to preventing them through lifestyle, environment, and mental well-being. Even when prescription medications are needed and necessary, the accompanying roles of emotional health, positive environments, and a conscious lifestyle are essential in making treatments work more effectively and more economically. Health undoubtedly is our greatest asset. Health, in true sense, is our principal capital asset, the foundation upon which all else rests. Preserving, promoting, and leveraging this asset yields the highest returns, enabling us to live our lives to their fullest potential. Each step we take towards better health, each day of care and consciousness counts in defining our future. As we rethink health in this holistic manner, we align ourselves with true progression and happiness, embracing a future where our well-being and fulfillment are intertwined. This rethinking of health is not only essential for our survival, but it is the blueprint for our success and our happiness. The future of healthcare is not just about treating illnesses, but preventing them through an empowered mind, a fit body, and a thriving environment. Let us give a new thought to health. Good luck, God bless, and thank you very much for your attention, please.